Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Electrolux washer E21 error code. So first thing that you will do is understand the error code. So E21 means the washer is not draining properly. So for safety, power off the washer and unplug it. Now open the filter access panel, usually at the bottom front. And now place a towel or tray underneath and slowly unscrew the filter to let the water drain out, and just simply drain out the filter and also clean the filter out and remove any debris. And also you could inspect the drain hose, so check at the back for kinks, clogs or blockages and make sure it is not bent or stuck. And now, if it doesn't work still, plug the washer back in and try running a drain or spin cycle to see if the error clears. Now, if the issue persists, just simply contact Electrolux customer service or a technician to fix the issue. There you go. See ya.